Well, would you look at this? France is replacing 2.5 million Windows desktops with Linux. Let's jump into this right now. Before I do, you can help me out. It's free, right up here. Like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and of course, comment down below. Now, there's a lot of political things going on in the world, and this is kind of political because France is doing this apparently to have its own digital sovereignty. It aims to break the dependence on American software companies like Microsoft. Now, they're going to apparently try to do this before 2027. It's quite ambitious, converting all these workstations. And then, of course, the people who are using these workstations have to figure out how Linux works and how all the software works for Linux. GendBuntu, that's what it's called. It's a police Linux distribution. And apparently, it's been proven. The transition is based on a massive success of the French National Police, who have used their own version of Linux, and that's GendBuntu. And apparently they've been using that for the last 20 years, running on over 100,000 PCs. Now, apparently the new government desktop will likely be based on the Ubuntu 26.04, featuring the modern GNOME 50 interface and the Wayland graphics system. It will come preloaded with open source staples like LibreOffice, Firefox, and Thunderbird. Who knows? More governments and companies could do the same thing, and I suspect they probably will. I know myself personally, I used to use Windows for everything. I had pretty much one powerful desktop gaming PC that I used to play games on, video edit, do all kinds of productivity work on. Not anymore. I just use it right now for gaming, and that's it. When I can drop it for the Steam OS, I'm going to install that, and at that point, I will not have one single Microsoft product.
And no, it's not political. It's because
How about you? Comments down below.